Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time for chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing like
when the child is with your best friends are gone and it's only you. Everybody wanna feel like me. Forget the bodies and rock me free. You can feel the reggae music sweet.
So what the fuck you be wildin' for?
Party man. flash on already. Wait. I just came home and looked into Gio's room. The bed is gone. The bed is gone. Yeah? Like, Daddy's like, oh, you want to come up with us? I'm just like, no. I don't know. I'm having a hard time coming to terms with everything. Like, you know, I'm just, I don't know. But anyways, majority of his stuff are gone. Like, anyways, it is what it is. Everybody has to live their life, I guess. So, yeah. I just got home. I don't think I vlogged today. You know what? Let me go do something. I was supposed to go to meet-in with them, but Daddy did not remember that we had clothes left in the washing machine that he said not to wash because there was no fabric softener, and he was supposed to buy fabric softener, which he didn't finish buying fabric softener. So we don't have no clothes to wear. Yeah. I'm taking the kids tomorrow to the beach for sure. Tomorrow is Friday. It's my last weekend. I could wear this. I went. Nah, never. Maybe if I go on date night. Y'all, I think I'm a part of Team LDR. If you're following me on Snap, you would have seen a couple posts, but you know, but yeah, it's new. It's different. I mean, like that's like every new thing you get into is different and new, and you know what I'm saying. But I have not been in anything long distance in like 8 years. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. But like, ooh, we shall see what will happen. Woo! Yeah, I wore this party outfit last night. I wore this outfit last night, and I forgot my clothes at my uncle's house because I didn't sleep there last night. And so this is what I was forced to wear home today, and I feel naked because my ash cheeks are out. But anyways, I gotta pack my bag because I am going back to base tonight, without a doubt, when he's done work. And then, as I said, I am going to be taking the kids to the beach in the morning. Okay. I have 2 outfits and 2 more nights, like 2 more party nights. So I'm thinking to wear this one. This outfit I've been dying to wear. I think it'll be cute in pictures. It's a little 2-piece army skirt and thing, and I have my Converse that I need to wear with it, but I need to get shoelaces. So I have to get shoelaces. But I can wear that, and then I can wear this. So it just all depends on... I think I'm going to wear this, though, because I wore something more, you know? So I think I'm going to wear this. And then to the beach tomorrow, I will wear one of these. I literally wore all my clothes. I'm happy. Or I can wear this skirt and the top that I wore before. And call it a day. If I had my white clothes, it would have been a lot easier. But yeah. So I think that might be a lick. I think we may be going out tonight. I'm not 100% sure, but we shall saw and see and saw and saw and see and saw. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna find stuff to put on and then remove these files from off of my phone because I literally have like no more space on my phone to record anything. But this phone is amazing and I'm not complaining at all. This one's been really good to me. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will come back to you guys and check in with you guys another time, okay? Love you guys. Oh no, child can't tell me now. Me there warm now by myself and current decide say it won't go away. Out of all the times in the world, why today? Now to try and find candles. Man sit in my room, pant up a chest a draw. No chest a draw this. Guys, it's lunchtime. This is literally the first thing that I'm eating today. Some chicken and chips and ketchup, like a Jamaican ketchup is literally the best. And then I have my favoriteest, or one of my favoriteest drinks. I don't know what it is about Pepsi in Jamaica, but it just definitely tastes better. And I have to drink everything with ice. So, bon appetit. Yes. I'm really sad. I don't know if you guys remember Curious, my dog. One of the few that we had. He's dead. When I came, his ear was literally like dropping off because him run up and down, going to people yard, go make dog bite him up. Eh? What? To just let them dismantle him. And apparently it happened a time before that. Tijio dressed him and, you know, made his injuries better. And then him go make them dismantle him again. So when I literally came down, I seen him like I think I seen him the first 2 days I came down. And like his head was literally like this. Like it was like his whole ear and everything was like falling off. Like it was sore. Everything was bad. And like he had this really bad odor. Like he stinked so bad. And if we came home and like the sink wasn't like on the veranda to block him from coming on here, like, oh my god, it was so bad. Where I would come here every morning and complain about him and his scent and whatever. It was so bad. But Roy just came and said that they found him last week and they buried him. So he's dead. I didn't even get to say bye to him. Like, Curious was the only dog we've had that like we've had for years. Like, we've had so many dogs. Them come, them gone, them come, them gone. Come and gone. That's what I'm saying. Like, he was literally like the only one that came and stayed. Like the only one that came and stayed. I'm gonna miss my dog. Now we have no animals in the yard. I don't know, nobody don't live here anymore, but we don't have no animals in the yard. Yeah, when 2 days ago me see puss come back in our yard. Like, where have you been? Maybe that's where they're at, them getting them up now. Because whoa, right after I ain't gone how long. Well, no, I'm come back and find residency over here because I don't know who give him directions for come back over here. So, but listen, so yeah, I'm really sad. I miss Curious. Like, it was always so like, you know, you're at home when you see your animals, like, and they don't bark because they know, like, oh, this is one of my owners, like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Anyways, just there with my authentic self. Talk to me nice. Yes, we are authentic, and authentic are we? Chijio's inside doing God knows what. Oh, probably on his tablet as per usual. And yeah, Daddy's fixing his van. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing for today. It's Friday. I'm supposed to be going out with my uncle. This man wants to go eat seafood. People are at work and trying to figure out what we're doing after work. and stuff, but I'm gonna be close to them, so let's see what happens. I think I'm just gonna pack a bag and but tomorrow I'm taking my boys to the beach. Facts. Yeah, we were supposed to go to breakfast tomorrow. I don't know if it's still gonna happen. If it is, great. If not, I don't know. But I have to go to the beach tomorrow and be done before like 5 because Angie has to come back up. I'm gonna need her to help me with all the kids. So yeah, but that's just it for now. If anything else interesting happens, I will pull out the camera and take you guys along with me. I just wanted you guys to know that my dog is dead. Today we're gonna need a new dog, but one that I like. Like we can't get the black puppy. Today, man, just go over there one night and teeth him. I would do a spray him up with some different color. And he's a brand new dog. Mr. People, that one dog, they over one next yard. Right over there, so. Right over there. And they said the dog black and pretty, like everything about the dog. Just I'm not a person who like dog. I'm not a person who like animals. The only type of animals that I like are gummy or stuff. I don't like animals with breed. And them something there like have teeth and can talk and bite and bark and moo and things. I don't like that. I don't like animals. Period. So for me to say I like the dog, okay, I want the dog. I'm gonna go up though. I need a fish. I want a fish. I need something in the house other than me. I mean, here's a fish bring blessings. So I want a fish. Yeah, but enough talking. That's 5 minutes of talking. Goodbye, guys.
When I look at where I'm coming from,